Welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make your Windows 10 desktop looks cool. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe my channel Technology. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So at first you need to go to this website which is called rainmeter.net. So I will give you this link on my video description. After go to this link, you have to scroll down and you have to download this one, final release or beta release. You can download any of this file. So as you can see, download is started. So I have already downloaded this file on my computer. So let me show you guys. So here is a Rainmeter software, and this one you have to download from my video description. I will give you there. So first of all, you need to install this on your computer, which is called Rainmeter. So click on next and click on install. So after done, click on finish and it will automatically run on your computer. Done. You have to right click on this skin and click on unload. Again you have to click over there and click on unload, and here also unload, and this one also unload. Now right click on your desktop and click on view and then click on small icon. Also you have to go to your taskbar, just right click over there and click on taskbar setting. Now you have to check this option which is called use small taskbar button. Once it is done, you have to again right click on your desktop, go to view and click on this auto arrange. Just uncheck this option. Once it is done, now extract this technology GIF file which I will give you on my video description. So just extract my computer and you will get a 4-5 file over there. So first of all is wallpaper. So right click on that wallpaper and click on set as desktop background. Once it is done, you have to install this one, Ocean. Done. So now if I'll play some song over there, let me show you guys. So here it is, as you can see. Now close this window. Now install the second one, which is Mond, and click on install. Now right click over there and click on unload. Now also right click over there and click on unload. And now you have to install this one, Storm. So now as you can see, it's working properly. So now I will arrange my skins over there. Now I will arrange my icons over there. Will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.